Hello viewers, today this lesson I will show how to block pop-ups and redirects in Chrome browser. So guys, if you are using Google Chrome web browser and you need to disable or turn off pop-ups, click on this top side corner, three dots, select settings. Here is the second feature, privacy and security. Click on it. Then here click on site settings. And now underneath permissions, in additional permissions, click on pop-ups and redirects. Then select don't allow sites to send pop-ups and redirects. Now close and reopen your Chrome or restart your system. Thanks for watching. If you need any queries or comment, I will answer you. And subscribe this channel to support this channel.